So we're here at the top of the 12th floor. All that paint that you've seen scuffed off was to determine what the damage or what repair was done to the building back in 2008, where they had cut the block along the middle of the web. This would be a core, this would be a core, and they ended up going and forming it up with plywood, and you can probably see some screw holes there that were there to hold the form on there, and they poured it full of concrete to the underside of here, and the block underneath here had all deteriorated. So had this one, and so had that one there. It was cracked, so water was getting inside and saturating everything in between there. This block that we replaced here was actually 5 millimeters wider than a typical block, and I imagine it moved up a little bit too, but caused everything to fracture here, because the way that they filled these up was that they stuffed them full of insulation. So the area that the insulation was stuffed into the core, the cracks would open up, allow water to get in there, and over the course of winter the blocks would blow away, and so that's why we were here to replace all